Hi, it's Debbie and Stain, and today we're going over and picking up Alice and Sergio, and we're taking them for a surprise today. They don't know. So what we're going to do is we're going to a winery, and I'm going to let Stain say it. It's called
Quinta Dos Vales.
Isn't that beautiful? So what we're going to do today is it's a wine tasting and a winemaker's experience. So we're going to go learn how to make wine. We're going to blend our own wine. And I think we even get to bottle it.
Yeah, we get to design a label if we have one, and then we get to bottle it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So we're on our way to go get Alice and Sergio, so don't say anything. Shh. So are you ready for your surprise, Alice?
Yes, I am.
Any
Can't
clues?
wait.
Do you have any idea?
No idea.
No idea? Oh, it's going to be so much fun. Yay! Okay, so you figured out where we're at. Where are we?
Quinta Dos Vales.
All right. And what do we do here?
We wine taste.
Okay, but guess what?
We're going to see some art.
That's not what you're going to do.
Oh.
No, so let's go inside and see.
They also do weddings here, so maybe.
No wedding, please.
The grounds are absolutely stunning and house roughly 15 different wine varieties. The property is also used to showcase the eclectic artwork owner Karl-Heinz Stock has created with fellow artists throughout the years. The showcased art projects typically involve a multitude of artists whereby Mr. Stock leaves much of the creative freedom to the respective artists. The so-called Graces are a particularly interesting group of full-bodied and curvy statues in various graceful poses.
Our tour guide Erhard explained the step-by-step process from growing grapes in this region through to harvest, fermentation, to aging in oak barrels and into the bottling. We asked a lot of questions and learned more than we ever have in this kind of tour. One fun thing we learned in the wine cellar is that the French oak from the tops of the trees offers a more refined aroma than the barrels made from wood at the base. Who knew? All we know is that this exceptional tour has made us very anxious, so let's get blended.
So now I will pour the wine in a minute and we will taste each single grape. Yeah. And I suggest you will start doing your first blend with the highest percentage of the variety you prefer of the three which you tasted.
So are you becoming a winemaker?
Absolutely. Because I'm already a wine drinker.
Later, again, if you want to,
Sergio's doing serious business.
This is the best, this is the best.
Yes.
Ooh.
So if you decided, you put it already, varieties, because I will leave it.
You have the Cabernet Sauvignon.
Because I will have
50%
to calculate the
Barriga
alcohol,
Franca.
and then we will later have to compose the blend. My glasses.
I'm the same.
It's opa.
Mas
Emma, please.
Okay. And my new glass.
In the background here, I'm trying to smell the difference between my first and my second one.
you can't.
I can't really smell the difference, even though on the paper they're very, very different.
Are they very good?
So my favorite blending was 10% Petit Verdot, 30% Cabernet Sauvignon, and 60% Barriga Franca.
Yes, and yeah.
And you look quite like the chemist right there, honey.
I also made my decision.
Yes.
I gave it an 8 out of 10.
Okay.
So there's room for improvement still, but it was my second mix with 30% Petit Verdot, 50% Cabernet Sauvignon, and 20% Barriga Franca. And in the mouth, it's mostly wet. Color, Ruby is what I was supposed to say, so it's a ruby. And the aroma is supposed to be peppery and a little bit fruity.
Okay. And
He's drunk.
Yeah, it's
I'm not
peppery.
okay,
This is the one.
that's the one.
This is the one.
What is the blend?
It's a secret.
Yeah, we ended up at the same wine, so it's the Quinta Dos Vales. For Stain and Sergio.
That's Stain and Sergio Valley. So Sergio Valley. Sergio Valley wine. It's a really good experience. I tell you.
That's
I already did a lot of wine days, but it's a really good experience. I never did this.
So this is the bark of the tree, around the tree, and then they just, I guess, cut it out.
Yeah, this is, you see, it's like this.
Yeah.
That's nice. Forza, nothing in me. Nothing in me.
Come on, Alice. There you go. Come on, girl.
That's precious. That's the one.
Go back.
All the way.
1, 2, 3. Out. That's it. Yeah.
It's so cool. It's my own bottle of wine. Well, it's a couple days later after our fantastic day at
Quinta Dos Vales.
I just love the way that sounds.
Quinta Dos Vales.
Everybody can say it but me. So we kind of forgot we had such a good time, and then we headed off to dinner. But now we're here at Alice and Sergio's tonight. We had a fabulous dinner. Sergio barbecued
Picanha.
picanha, and it was amazing. But we wanted to thank you all for joining us on our wine blending experience. So Alice and Sergio, what did you think about that?
Oh, that's fantastic.
That's it. Here's the result.
The results?
Yeah. Are we going to open it now?
We're going to have a little toast. But we wanted to thank you all for joining us on our winemaking experience here in Portugal on the Algarve. And if you'd like to see more of our adventures as we do some more here, maybe with Alice and Sergio, huh? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you on some more of our adventures.
Yeah.
Huh? Thank you for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.